Well, hey everybody. Hope y'all are enjoying your day. Anyways, today I'm going to be making a video on the RSI. After that, I'll be making videos singly, one on the MACD, one on the EMAs, and another one on the VWAP. And then I'll combine all of them and show you how I use these to get into the entries and the exits of my trades. um, Pure precision and execute like a sniper. Anyways, let's go over here to the charts. Come on. Yeah, if you're new to trading and the RSI confuses you, this video is for you. I'm going to break it down in a simple way using the SPY and show you exactly where to find it, how to read it, and how I use it with confirmation instead of guessing whenever I take and enter and exit trades. RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. It's a momentum indicator. It shows whether a stock or ETF like the SPY is getting too hot, too weak, or starting to shift momentum. It moves. Right here is the RSI. You got the signal line as well. It moves between 0, which is right here, and to 70 and to 30, which is down here. I like to change my settings to 60 and 20 so I have an earlier entry. Normally whenever it gets above 70, people say the stock is overbought. When we get below 30, people say it's oversold, but that does not mean you should instantly buy puts above 70 or instantly buy calls whenever it's below 30. That's where beginners, they get trapped. Like right here, when the RSI went all the way up to 84. So if it went up to 70 and you bought put options, you would have got burnt. And the same as if you bought it whenever whenever it got undersold. Right here, down to a 8. So if you bought it whenever call options at 25, you would have still lost some money. Yeah, overbought. It can stay overbought in a strong trend, and oversold can be in a hard sell-off. So RSI is a clue, not just a signal by itself, but it is a very good indicator. When you put all these together, you have a success on execution and precision. And if you don't have RSI on your trading view and you want to get it, you come right up here where it says indicators and you just put RSI, Relative Strength Index. And if you don't have a star right there, click your star so it's in your favorites. Then you just click it and then you have it. I'll keep it simple. You don't need 10 or 20 indicators stacked on top of each other. Here's how I use the RSI with the SPY. I do not use it by itself. I use it with price action levels, support and resistance, and confirmation. You can see right here, right before pre-market, we're way down here below the 30. And this brown, this is pre-market. You can see right here, when we get this color right here, the bluish black, whatever you want to call it, when we started moving up, our RSI started going up. It means we had the strength to get these candles right here. But just because the RSI said this, it doesn't mean I jump in. I always have to wait for other confirmation. This video is just to show you just the RSI, and we'll jump into more depth whenever we combine all indicators in together. But you can see oversold down here, overbought up here. We get too far down, we end up going up when we're oversold. When we get overbought, way up here, up almost 85, and I'm getting that 85 right here. And you can see I'll put a red arrow right here. Down we go, and then we get way oversold, up we go. It tells you the strength of what the stock is doing. Think of it as the acceleration on a car. The further you hit the gas pedal, the faster you go. The harder you hit the brake pedal, the harder we stop. And the same with just going by the candles, like a high, a higher high, and a higher high. The RSI is the same as well. A high, a higher high, and then a low and a lower low. And when you have, I'm trying to find a good example here, but when the RSI is up but the price is down, that's a divergence. One mistake beginners make is treating the RSI like a buy button and a sell button. It's not. In strong trends, RSI can stay high longer than you can think. The market can be unrational longer than you can be sovereign. You can't just use the RSI like right here. Oh, we're over bought. I'm going to grab put options, even though when we're right here we came down. So if you bought a put option, you could have made money, but this is not the case. If you go just by this, you're gonna lose so much money. But the main thing is understanding the RSI. It's their main focus. If I had to simplify RSI for beginners, here's what I would say. Mark your support and your resistance. So our resistance would be right here. Our support would be right here. Combine that and wait for price confirmation. Manage risk no matter what, and watch where the RSI is. Are we way overbought by the time we get up here to resistance? Even we have a wick that we break through. And if we're way oversold and we're way down here on our price action, you combine all this, you got a good tool. When you have now having all this, your EMA above VWAP, I know we're on an uptrend. I know if we are staying above the 20 or the 100, I know where my support is for the day. If we're crossing above our 9 and our 20, I know we're bullish. I know if we're bearish. Look at our MACD, look at our RSI. That's why I have a 78% success rate with all my trades. Anyway, stay tuned for the MACD, the VWAP, the EMA. I hope this video helped. Peace.